Welcome to the introductory video for the A421 electronic temperature control with off-cycle defrost. My name is Tim Butler, one of the Johnson Controls product managers for the Penn line of commercial refrigeration products. This video will help you to identify and program the A421 electronic refrigeration controls with off-cycle defrost. This control combines the functionality of an electronic temperature control with an off-cycle defrost timer. The A421 with off-cycle defrost can only be used in medium temperature refrigeration systems. At preset intervals, the control will shut off the compressor for a selected length of time. There are 4 unique series within the A421 family of electronic temperature controls. The models with the off-cycle defrost are identified as A421 ABD and A421 AED. The other 3 series will be covered in later videos. The programming parameters for the defrost functionality are located within the full programming menu. To access the full programming menu, press and hold the up and down buttons for 10 seconds. UN will be blinking on the display. UN allows you to change from the Fahrenheit to the Celsius temperature scale. The defrost parameters can be accessed by pressing the up button until DFT is reached. DFT is the length of the defrost cycle. This parameter can be adjusted from 1 to 59 minutes. To program the length of the defrost cycle, press the menu button when DFT is on the display. Using the up or down button, set the length of time for the defrost cycle. Press menu to accept the value. You'll notice that the control will automatically sequence to the next programmable parameter. In this case, it is the defrost interval, represented by DI. This is the amount of time between defrost cycles. The defrost interval is adjustable from 0 or 2 to 24 hours. If 2 is selected, the control will have 12 defrost cycles in a day. If 8 is selected, the control will have 3 defrost cycles. If 24 is chosen, only 1 will occur per day. Press the menu button to accept the setting. Press the up and down button at the same time to exit to the home screen. There is also an option to select 0 or no defrosts per day. Now this might seem unusual, but the A421 is priced so attractively, you may want to stock only one control for both your temperature and defrost needs. This saves inventory and carrying costs. There are 2 programmable parameters that can be used to manually start and stop a defrost cycle. The first is the SDF, also located within the full menu. This function will start or stop a defrost cycle. With the device in full programming menu mode, press the down arrow until the display reads SDF. Then press Menu. Use the up or down button to toggle between the 1 or the 0. 1 means the defrost cycle is started. 0 means the cycle is off. The second method would be to wire a momentary push-button switch to the binary input terminals on the A421 control. Wire the switch to the uppermost terminals on the terminal block in the upper left-hand corner of the control, also known as TB3. Then, within the full menu, set the BIN parameter to 1. When the button is pressed, the A421 will go into an immediate defrost cycle. Note that the display of the control cycles from DEF to indicate a defrost cycle is occurring, the amount of time left in the defrost cycle, and the temperature of the conditioned space. To cancel the defrost cycle, press the button again. The A421 with defrost can help you and your customers save money by integrating two of the most popular refrigeration controls into one unit.
Warning: always wear proper personal protective equipment when operating Appion products. For more than 15 years, Appion's G5 Twin refrigerant recovery machine has proven its unparalleled performance and reliability, capable of handling any job, from residential to large commercial, with ease. The success of the machine is due to its ground-up design. It's important to first understand the differences between a refrigeration circuit and the process of refrigerant recovery. Manufacturers commonly try to rework conventional refrigeration compressors, designed to work in a closed-loop system, to perform instead in an open circuit. The Appion G5 Twin is engineered specifically to recover refrigerant in an open circuit where the conventional lubrication methods no longer apply. Among many defining features, a refrigerant-isolated crankcase is the heart and soul of the machine. Unlike other oilless machines, the G5 Twin's crankcase is permanently lubricated, meaning it doesn't rely on oil in the refrigerant being recovered for lubrication. Because of this patented design, the crankcase's internal components will never encounter refrigerant, while adding protection from corrosive and damaging contaminants found in some recovery jobs. Another advantage is that there is no volume of refrigerant in the crankcase, which eliminates the need for a purge function. These features, coupled with the extremely strong horizontally opposed pistons, are the pillars of its reliability. A high-speed, high-pressure, 7-inch, 10-blade turbine fan blasts over 700 CFM of cooling air over the cylinders, cylinder heads, and condensers. This ensures the machine and valves receive adequate cooling even when there is limited refrigerant flow. This improved cooling efficiency helps with heat rejection up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit cooler, even in high ambient conditions, resulting in superior reliability. At only 24 pounds, the G5 Twin is compact and lightweight, making it easy to access remote locations like rooftops and plant rooms. 4 times faster than other units in its class, the G5 Twin features unmatched liquid recovery rates with no need for machine throttling. The G5 Twin is suitable for use with common refrigerants, including A2Ls such as R32 and R1234YF. The machine's 45-degree angled fittings allow the user to connect larger diameter hoses with ease. Another notable element of the G5 Twin is its field serviceability. This makes for simple repairs and maintenance to your machine right on the job. For full flow potential, pair the G5 Twin with Appion's SpeedKit R. The SpeedKit R makes it simple to hook up multiple simultaneous connections and provides even greater performance. The kit's MegaFlow hoses, valve core removal tools, and SpeedY work in conjunction to make the recovery process as fast and efficient as possible. When you need speed and reliability, look no further than the technician favorite G5 Twin from Appion, the only recovery-specific machine capable of recovering both liquid and vapor without compromise. Contact your preferred local distributor to get yours today. The TEZ-8 8CFM vacuum pump was the first vacuum pump designed from the ground up with the needs of an ACR technician in mind. This A2L-compatible vacuum pump is field-proven to outperform larger pumps by hours or even days. The TEZ-8's evacuation speed is derived from multiple design features. The 5-second oil change allows for quick and easy oil changes without ever having to break a vacuum. The clear TESM cartridges give the technician the ability to both monitor the oil condition and replace the full oil supply with ease. Neither of these can be properly done through a traditional oil level indicating sight glass. With the ability to quickly change moisture-ridden and contaminated oil on the fly, the TES 8 has no need for a gas ballast. The TES 8 is thoughtfully constructed with a soft start motor to further prevent wear, while the 7-inch 10-blade turbine fan blasts over 700 CFM of air over a large aluminum heatsink, keeping the pump cool and reducing oil viscosity breakdown. Another notable element of the TES 8 is its field serviceability. This makes for simple repairs and maintenance to your machine right on the job. This vacuum pump features a 2-stage exhaust system with advanced anti-suckback technology that eliminates check valves and other flow restrictions, further accelerating the rate of evacuation. The adjustable multi-port input increases flow up to 32 times when compared to single-port pumps. This multi-port input features one 1/2-inch port, two 3/8-inch ports, and one 1/4-inch port. When evacuating systems with toxic refrigerant or in poorly ventilated areas, use the remote exhaust connection in a common garden hose to release the pump exhaust at a safer location. The clear debris catch tube on the machine collects debris with its easy-to-clean filter screen. Conveniently, the tube traps excess oil while the patented automatic positive pressure relief eliminates accidental oil showers. All of these features and an all-metal pump construction are packed into a lightweight field-duty composite resin case, allowing for rugged durability and reduced weight. For full flow potential, pair the TES 8 with Appion's SpeedKit V. The SpeedKit V makes it simple to hook up multiple simultaneous connections and provides even greater performance. The kit's MegaFlow hoses, valve core removal tools, and Speedwise work in conjunction to make the evacuation process as fast and efficient as possible. When you need to properly evacuate a system and achieve a deep vacuum quickly, get the job done with the TES 8 to save hours, save days, save money. Contact your preferred local distributor to get yours today.
The WRSX is a newly designed digital wireless refrigerant scale from UEI. The WRSX works with a free app, UEI Scale, which is compatible with iOS or Android platforms, eliminating the need for a wired remote. The WRSX has a weight capacity of 330 pounds. Uncompromising accuracy and repeatable resolution, regardless of how centered the weight is on the no-slip platform, and an overload protection of 150% of maximum load. Users can view readings on the backlit LCD display. The WRSX has a rechargeable battery and comes with a charging cable. A wireless range of 35 to 100 feet pending environmental conditions. The underside of the scale has QR codes to download the app and manual. Just scan the corresponding QR code for the free app from Google Play or the App Store. The app has a very intuitive user interface, displaying large, easy-to-see readings. A user-defined programmable alarm, and selectable units of measurement in both English and metric settings. The WRSX is currently available at professional distributors.
For a comprehensive look at UEI Test Instruments' complete line of wireless refrigerant scales, please visit ueitest.com.
Cleaning coils is a necessary step in any equipment maintenance plan or reoccurring clean and check program. New Calgon offers a full line of quality specialty chemicals and cleaning tools to help technicians perform this necessary task easily and professionally. As professional HVAC technicians, it is important to understand the benefits cleaning outdoor coils offers your customer, as well as to know the best practices to ensure each job is performed efficiently, safely, and with outstanding, repeatable results. Outdoor coils are exposed to conditions which allow dirt and debris to get caught in the fins of the coil. Water alone will not remove this dirt and debris, so it is important for you to use a coil cleaner like New Bright, the #1 coil cleaner on the market. New Bright is specially formulated with additives to produce heavy, stable foam, emulsifying grime in its foaming action. Additionally, these additives lift and hold debris away from surfaces to prevent it from redepositing on the coil before rinsing. New Bright, as well as all other New Calgon coil cleaners, is highly concentrated and chemically designed to be mixed with water across a wide range of dilution ratios to provide the best cleaning available for a variety of soil loads and applications. Once you've pre-rinsed the coil with water to dislodge any potential surface debris, it's time to clean. Use of the New Calgon coil gun takes the guesswork out of the dilution process. Unlike other sprayers, which require you to combine water with the coil cleaner in a separate step, the coil gun does the mixing for you, thanks to the specially equipped mixing cap that siphons the cleaner through the coil gun when the sprayer handle is depressed. The new 50-foot coil-made hose, with its durable, reinforced construction, crush-proof solid brass fittings, and FlexGuard collar, is ideal for use with the coil cleaner. Simply add New Bright or other New Calgon coil cleaner to the coil gun container. Determine the appropriate dilution ratio for your application. Set the dial on the mixing head to the corresponding setting and connect the coil gun to the anti-siphon sprayer handle and the accompanying foam wand. It's that easy. Warning: before cleaning coils, be sure power to the system is disconnected. For coils located on rooftops, ensure the roofing material is compatible with the chemicals contained in the coil cleaner. For specific information on roofing compatibility, see cleaner product label. It is also important to remember that personal protective equipment should be worn whenever chemicals are being dispensed, including gloves and eye protection. Coil cleaning should only be performed in calm winds, as high wind conditions produce the possibility of chemicals spraying back at the technician. Once preparation is complete, use the coil gun to spray the entire coil surface to dispense New Bright or other New Calgon cleaners. Notice how New Bright's foam is produced at a high rate, lifting and holding debris as it expands. All New Calgon coil cleaners are resistant to variations in water quality. That means cleaning coils in a location that has hard water will never affect the performance you expect from New Calgon products. Consistency that is unmatched in the industry. Continue cleaning the coil until the entire surface is treated. For hard-to-reach areas and inside-out cleaning, the Coil Gun Probe attachment is also available, sold separately. The Coil Gun Probe attaches easily to the coil gun and provides an additional 40 inches of targeted reach with its 90-degree spray angle, perfect for cleaning the inside of the coil as well as those hard-to-reach spots. Allow the coil cleaner to remain on the coils for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the severity of the debris. Once the dwell time has finished, either switch the coil gun to the rinse position or simply remove the sprayer handle from the coil gun and begin rinsing the surface of the coil. It's important that rinsing continues until all traces of foam are removed from the coil. Leaving coil cleaner on coil surfaces for longer than recommended dwell time can be harmful to the coil construction. This process can take up to 15 or 20 minutes on larger outdoor coils. Remember to never allow pooling of coil cleaner on the roof for an indefinite amount of time. When the coil has been adequately rinsed, return any New Bright to its original container and rinse out the coil gun. Remember, never store or transport coil cleaner in the sprayer or any other non-original container. Complete the setup of any other materials, reassemble any panels removed for cleaning, and return power to the unit. Make sure the coil gun and its accessories are thoroughly rinsed with water after use for maximum service life. By following these steps, your customer will see you take pride in your work, as well as take comfort in the fact that with quality technicians using quality products, you provide quality results for the maintenance and care of outdoor coils. For more detailed information about the cleaning of outdoor coils and the complete line of available New Calgon cleaners, including New Bright Aerosol, the same New Bright Performance in a ready-to-use aerosol can, perfect for kitchen degreasing and other applications, visit newcalgon.com.
For several years, New Calgon's ThermoTrap products have been popular methods of protecting components from heat in the HVAC and plumbing industries. Now, New Calgon introduces the new ThermoTrap Putty, a heat sink that can be reused up to 40 times. When applied to a metal working surface, ThermoTrap Putty soaks up heat and reduces heat transfer to protect sensitive components. You can apply ThermoTrap Putty to copper, steel, or other pipe surfaces to offer ultimate protection when welding, brazing, or soldering. ThermoTrap Putty blocks direct and conductive heat and cools down heated surfaces much more effectively than a traditional wet rag. Its no-mess formula strongly adheres to surfaces and can be easily removed for the next job. All you need to do is apply, remove, and reuse up to 40 times. Simply add a small amount of water on the putty to rejuvenate it. And don't worry about mold forming on the putty after reuse. ThermoTrap contains antimicrobial chemistry to prevent this. So put the wet rag in its place and get the heat control performance of ThermoTrap putty. Another quality product from New Calgon, the brand you can trust.